This world is a world of competition. If you are behind another nation, you are failed. I am telling you, most of the students again and again, that if I am selecting one person and the remaining whole hall secures 99% marks, but one person has 100% marks, he is passed and the remaining 99% are failed. What does this mean? This means you should be at the top. And if you are not at the top, you are failed. So struggle. If you want honor and dignity in this world, this is the world of science and technology. This is the world of development, economic development, social development. And all these things are counted in the world. If you want to be honored, be respected, the parameters for this is higher education. You are among the most fortunate people of this country. And I am telling this also again and again, that you are among the 4% of the people in the age group 19 to 23 who could get admission in this university. The 96% deserving students couldn't get admission in your university. So you are among the 4%. And if you are wasted, this means the nation has lost. The nation has failed. And who has failed? Not Imran Khan, not Shah Farman, not Nawaz Sharif or Zardari. Our teacher has failed. Our institution has failed. Our student has failed. You are the future of this nation. You are the future of this nation. What you see around you today is the product of your elders. If they were right, then your life, your environment should be right. It should be conducive for learning and teaching, for science and technological development, and all these things. If it is not, then this is our collective responsibility to move forward and change our direction. The main difference which we see between the developing and the underdeveloped nation is that the developed nation have visionary leaders, visionary teachers, visionary institutions to know about the needs of their own and the needs of the outside world. And their institution train people, skill people so that they can meet the needs of the poor people. The simplest example is the solar panel. There was no load shedding in Germany. There was no load shedding in Italy. There was no load shedding in America. But when your load shedding started, the solar panel in your market were from Italy, Australia, America, and these countries. This means that their visionary leaders in politics, economics, and science knew that a day will come where my skill will be sold. And I will raise my economy at the cost of these technical developments. This means that only the government or the institution are not responsible. We teachers and you students are equally responsible for what is happening around.